Radhe Krishna everyone. Today I am actually going to talk about the Panchatirtha Parikalpanam in Sri Vaishnava way of worshipping the Lord, which is as per the Vaikhana Sahagama. It is very important that we create 5 different tirthas for worshipping the Lord. So one is Arghyam, Padyam, Achamaniyam, Snaniyam and Shuddhodakam. And for each of these tirthas, there are certain elements that need to be added, certain spices and grains and various elements that need to be added in order for the tirtha to become eligible for the Aradhana. So, over a period of time, I have been wanting to learn this, and I am dedicating this video to the gurus who have actually taught me how to do the Tirtha Parikalpanam. And with a lot of research and effort, I have been able to accumulate all the ingredients that are needed for Tirtha Parikalpane. And without further ado, I'll talk about what aspects go into which Tirtham. So to start with, we must do the Parikalpane of Arghyam, Arghya Tirtham. So for Arghya Tirtham, you need Kushagra. Kushagra is the tip of the Kusha grass, or Darbhe as we call it in Kannada. So Kushagra, Akshata, Pushpa, Phala. For Chandanam, I have this sandal stick, Chandana, Tila, Siddhartha and Yavan. Yavan is barley and Siddhartha is white mustard. So these are all the elements that go into Arghya. Again I'll repeat: Kushagra, Akshata, Pushpa, Phala, Chandana, Tila, Siddhartha and Yavan. So these all need to be added to the Arghya. For Padya, you need Tila, Durva, Vishnuparni, Shyamaka, Padma, Akshatan, Nikshipya. So these are all the elements that go into Padya. So Padma is lotus, and I want to tell you about lotus a little bit more. So for lotus, you can either use the lotus seeds, or if you are able to provision yourself a fully bloomed lotus, it should be like Sahasradala Kamalam. So if you have that, if you dry it if you offer it to the Lord, or if you dry it like that for a few days, and then just tap it onto the tip of a vessel, then there is some very fine powder that comes out of that. It's called Kamal Ka Parag. It will be very fragrant, and you can use that, or you can use the lotus seeds. Now coming to Chandana, a lot of people today in our culture, we are slowly becoming armchair devotees. So armchair devotion will never work in our culture, because our God never took a break on Sunday. So it is very important that we are striving every day to follow as much as possible as to what is prescribed in our Shastras and Agamas. So for Chandana, please visit Kaveri Emporium on MG Road in Bangalore if you are in Bangalore, and you can buy these sandalwood logs. That is the only single body that is permitted to sell sandalwood. So please bring a stone to grind the sandalwood. So grind the sandalwood thinking of Lord's names, chant shlokas. If you think of, for instance, Gandhadwaram Duradharsham Nityapushtam Karishiniim, or Lakshmi Netrotpalashrihi Sadata Parichayat Deya Sambardhamanaha Nabhi Nali Karinkhan Mrudtala Patali. So if you go on chanting these shlokas and grinding, so then those vibrations will also get infused into your Tiruvaradhanam. So please make sure that you're striving a little bit more to provision yourself as many pure ingredients as possible. So now I'll talk to you about Snaniyam, Achamaniya Patre. For Achamaniyam, you need Ela, Lavanga, Takkola, Karpura, Jaji, Chandana and pushpani nikshipya is what is mentioned. So for jaji and pushpani, for jaji you can get for 40 rupees you will get 1 yard tied jaji flowers. You can sun dry the jaji flowers and mix it along with these ingredients and make a powder of it. So it's very easy to find jaji. For pushpani nikshipya, you can use any fresh flowers that you can provision on a daily basis, like such as parijata flowers or jasmine flowers or sevantige, any sampige, naga sampige, kenda sampige. So any of these flowers you can use. So this goes for snaniya patre, for achamaniya patre, sorry. For snaniya patre, again you need gandha and sarvaushadhi. For sarvaushadhi is a mixture of 8 different elements. I'm going to talk to you about that. So it's again ela, lavanga, and kachora, nagarmotha, cinnamon, karpura, lemon powder, and rajaniti and turmeric. So you have to make a powder of all of these together, and then it becomes sarvaushadhi. So gandha, sarvaushadhi, and ratna. For ratna again, if you buy a few precious stones and keep it for yourself, then you can use it on a daily basis for Tirvaradhanam to add to the snaniya patre. So again gandha, sarvaushadhi, a mixture of all these things, ratna, and bija. For bija you can use moong, bija. For phala I am using raisins, phala, kusha, tila, akshata, and dhadi kshira and ghrita is mentioned. Dhadi kshira ghrita is curd, milk, and ghee. And rajaniti, again you have to add a little bit of turmeric powder. So if you provision all of these things and keep it ready and make a powder of all of these things, it will last you for months together. And if you just simply invest once and buy 100 grams of all these different ingredients, it will last you for at least about 2 to 3 years. If you are adding a pinch of it every day, it will last you for a very long period of time. So please make sure that you're striving to invest in pure ingredients, not buying store available ingredients, and you're resorting away from armchair devotion. So please bring provision yourself all these ingredients and then do the Tirvaradhanam. Now finally for Shuddhodaka Patre, again it is mentioned that you have to use tila and tulasi. So if you have the tila is the black sesame seeds. I have made a powder with the black sesame seeds, so that's what you are seeing here. So please provision all of these. It will also help in our anusandhana towards worshipping the Lord. It increases our devotion, and all these will have medicinal impact on us. And most importantly, it will be the tirtham that you have offered to the Lord. It would have experienced the sayujya saukyam of the Lord, and then you partake those tirtham on a day-to-day basis, which will give you all the health and well-being and happiness. Having said this, I hope this will encourage all of you to do tirtha parikalpane at home. So let us do this and offer this with a tulasi dalam to Lord Krishna. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanam. Radhe Krishna.